Let me ask you something. When was the last time you sat down and did one thing without checking your phone? No notifications, no scrolling, no switching between 5 different apps. If you're like most people, it's probably been a while. And that's the problem. Your attention span isn't broken because you're lazy. It's broken because your brain has been trained to expect constant stimulation. Every scroll, every notification, every short video, your brain gets used to instant rewards. Then when it's time to work, study, read, or focus, everything suddenly feels boring. Think of your attention like a muscle. If you never train it, it gets weak. And most people are unknowingly training themselves to become distracted. They wake up and immediately check their phone. They watch videos while eating. They scroll while watching TV. Their brain never gets a moment of silence. So here's how you fix it. First, stop touching your phone for the first 30 minutes after waking up. Don't let social media decide where your attention goes before you've even started your day. Second, spend at least 15 minutes doing one thing without distractions. Read a book, go for a walk, write, study, anything. The goal isn't productivity. The goal is teaching your brain how to focus again. Third, start embracing boredom. This sounds strange, but boredom is where focus is rebuilt. The moment you feel bored, don't immediately reach for your phone. Sit with it, because every time you resist the urge for stimulation, you're strengthening your attention span. Most people think they have an attention problem. What they actually have is a stimulation addiction. The good news? You can reverse it. Protect your mornings, reduce distractions, embrace boredom. Do that consistently, and your focus will improve faster than you think. If this message helped you, subscribe. This channel is for people who want better habits, stronger discipline, and real self-improvement. Until next time, protect your attention, because where your attention goes, your life follows.